In this video, I will show you how to correctly measure your dog. Spine, from a point between ears to the beginning of the tail. Front leg, from the body to paw. Back leg, from the body to paw and from the tail to paw. Body, perimeter of the point behind front legs. At the widest point of the hull and in front of back legs. Aperture for tail and paws. Neck, just below the head. Chest, the distance between front legs. Front of neck from the head to the point where there are the legs.
Thanks for watching my video. For more info, click here.